Hey there, this is Ryan from Technical Support at Checkfront. I'm making a quick 2-minute video for you today, just showing you how to use or get the most use out of this daily list function. So when we're setting up the daily list, this is mainly used for on-the-day bookings. So you sign in as a business owner and you want to find out who's coming in today, what bookings are coming through, have they paid, have they not paid. So I'm just going to quickly show how to set this type of view up so that you can get the most use out of it. So I've loaded a few different columns in already. There's a whole host of columns that we've added. There's all the parameters that we use on items. So there's adults and children family tickets. Those are parameters that we have set on some items that are really helpful to know how many people are going to be signed up per booking. We have contact information, we have the customer name, and we have ID and the status will help us determine whether or not they've paid. For this instance, there's no actual start time other than this one here, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove start time because it's not as applicable. And then all of these elements are actually removable. So if I want the status to show up at the back of the list, I can just drag it down there. So say if I want to see the booking ID and what information, and then I'll have the customer name next. So we have ID, customer name, then email, and we have all the parameters associated with it. So if there's the quantity of 5, but there's 3 adults and 2 kids, then we'll know that information. I'm also just going to move this family ticket as well because that's also a parameter. We'll go ahead and save that. Now it's all set into the right format. So notice this phone column's empty, but this would be populated with phone if you have that part of your booking form. So here I'd log in and then I'd just get here, go to starting date, and I can load it to any date if I'd like. I can see the future dates, but for this example, I'm just signing in on the day of and I want to see what bookings I have for today. So I can see it's grouped by different category. I can see all my tours that are going out, I have my activities there, I have my accommodations that are booked, and then I have the different types of items within that accommodation. So that's really helpful. So someone comes in and decides that they like to check in. They have their booking ID, but we also have their name. So it's we have Owen that wants to sign in for today, and we can quickly click on there to see his booking. So those are just some of the ways that you can utilize the power of the daily booking list in your business. If you have any further questions, of course, reach out to us at support@checkfront.com. Thanks for watching today and have a great day. Talk to you soon.